Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. In my yesterday's video, I wanted to clarify about the SEBI issue, which I forgot. So, therefore, this video is all about the clarification of the SEBI issue. Just before that, let me tell you, you go through my Twitter timeline and you go through my YouTube timeline. Twitter is being controlled by the trollers. And these trolls, they think that the SEBI has taken up this case is because of their trolling. And let me tell you, the SEBI one has been going on for more than a year. And SEBI had certain doubts about our operations. So they were seeking clarifications and we have been giving clarifications. And we have been fully cooperating with the SEBI. So this happens to any business house, not only for me. Just look at the screen and I will show you how many business houses and have how many cases in SEBI. Just look at Sharecon, look at ICICI, look at HDFC. And these are all the brokers. And not only brokers, look at the media channel, look at CNBC and see how many cases in CNBC. And forget about it, that's a media channel. Even the normal business houses, just go and type Reliance. Reliance is a well-respected company in India. It's the #1 company in India. So they are just a normal thing, So when the SEBI has certain doubts about our operation, and they will be asking for some clarification. And then we are giving clarification. Sometimes they are happy with our clarification. Sometimes they are not happy, So this is just a normal thing, right? So, many people are trying to portray me as a #1 fraud in India. So, if all the people having cases with SEBI are frauds, whatever the business houses I mentioned, and they must be frauds. Are they fraud? I am sure no. And are you going to say people, use this chance, trying to instigate people and not to attend my training, not to attend my conference, and all those kind of things, right? So if trolls have their own way and they let them wish whatever they wish, and that is not going to happen, and whatever is the crisis, we will emerge more stronger from this crisis, and I will prove this. You just wait for a few more months and you will know everything. Many trollers, they are even trolling that, Mr. Sundar has run away to Dubai. Don't worry. I will keep running away from India, and many times I will keep running away to Dubai. I will keep running away to Switzerland. I will keep running away to Hong Kong, Bangkok. I will keep running to many countries. But don't worry, after running for 1 week, 2 weeks for excursion, vacation and so on, we will come back to India. We will continue to do our business. So our business is in India and we will continue to do our business in India. And SEBI, it is an issue. There is no doubt that I'm not denying, there is a issue is there. And we are cooperating with the SEBI. We are providing whatever the data that they are asking. And as and when the case is completed, I will surely update what is going on. And meanwhile, in some media interview also, I've given my version of the story. So that's why I do not want to repeat what has happened. So at least for some more time, let the trolls be happy. So that is what I can say as of now. Otherwise, my business is as usual. Thank you.